Hi, if you want to change alarm sound on your iPhone 16e, then simply find Clock app first. So let me just swipe left till the end to find app library, and here just manually input clock. Now from world clock we need to switch to alarms, and we can click here to set up new alarm. And let's tap save. And now to change sound of the existing alarm, we need to select it again, go in sound, and here just pick any option from the list. You can also tap on classic and find all of the classic old options. If you choose none, then you will receive alarm with no sound. If you got any songs installed on this device, you can click here to pick a song. So music purchased in iTunes or added from your computer will appear here. Also, you can go in Tone Store, which will look like that. But here you need to buy songs. And also you can click here to download all purchased tones. And as an alternative way, you can go in your phone settings, go in sounds and haptics, and after that pick default alerts and also change its sound by tapping something else, for example note, and go back. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.